tellement nice. Hey. What's up guys, here's Kevinco. Welcome to my channel where I create content about motorcycles and electric bikes. If it's your first time here and you're all about that stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel. Today I'll do an English review of the EBIKE Merkava Fatfold500, which is pretty much the big brother of the RF350, which I also did a review on. So if you didn't see that review yet, I'll leave the link in the description below with the links of the Merkava website. Okay, so now let's get to the review. As I've said in the past, Merkava's bike designs are some of the best in the e-bike industry, in my opinion. That specific model has a beautiful paint scheme of green and dark gray, which really pops out and makes you more visible in the street. You can also notice some small difference like adjustable bike stem to readjust the handlebars, the bigger monitor with a USB port, and the bigger wheels. Compared to the RF350, the Fatfold has a motor of 500 watts. It also comes with a battery of 48 volts and 14 amp hour, which with the motor gives you a total of 18 Newton meters of torque. It is a significant difference of power over the RF350.
Puis j'ai aussi l'impression d'avoir plus de puissance. Dans le RF350, comme je vous disais, il fallait que je joue beaucoup avec les vitesses. Il fallait que je sois très engagé dans la conduite. Alors que, en ce moment, j'ai l'impression que l'assistance est beaucoup mieux. Le throttle est beaucoup plus répondant. J'ai l'impression d'avoir plus de torque.
As I was riding, I've also realized that the e-bike feels more heavy and more planted on the road than the RF350, which is a good thing. All that was most likely due to his rigid foldable frame and his weight of 59 pounds. The 26-inch fat tires also played his role to keep the bike smooth and comfortable on the road. These elements makes it great for the road or even for an everyday use. The back and the front lockable suspension also help to keep it comfortable in different types of scenarios. With that being said, I still had to try this bike off-road to make a real comparison between this one and the RF350.
Ce qui est le plus impressionnant, c'est la stabilité. On n'a pas l'impression que le vélo va glisser, tomber. C'est très stable, que ce soit dans les roches, dans la boue. Tout ce qui reste à essayer, c'est dans la neige.
I came to the conclusion that this bike was a much better choice for off-road riding. The bike felt much more stable due to its big wheels and heavier weight. To be honest, I knew that this bike would have been better, but I really wanted to have some fun with it off-road. When I got back to the road, I had to do a little speed test. In case you were wondering, the e-bike itself can go up to 32 kilometers per hour on the road with the pedal assist and the use of the 7 speeds. Let's test this.
Ok. Test de vitesse, guys. On accélère. Let's go, let's go. On se met à 5.
There's no other ways to tell that this bike feels fast, as I wasn't expecting to reach 43 kilometers per hour. Not only that it's faster, but you also have a longer reach of distance. Indeed, you can go up to 75 kilometers with the pedal assistance. That's not bad. Overall, I think the Fatfold500 is a great all-around bike. You can travel with it, fold it and put it in the back of your car to ride it wherever you want, does a great job off-road and is really comfortable for longer rides. Hopefully I'll be able to ride this one or a similar model during the winter to see how these bikes perform in the snow. But hey, if you're looking for this model or other e-bikes that could suit your needs, make sure to go check their website on the link of the description below. I also added a coupon which will give you 2% off your next Merkava e-bike purchase. The warehouse is located in Montreal and ships all over Canada. If you like that video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if it's not already done. Thank you and see you on the next video. Deuce!